Hello friends, myself Namrata Kilochia, Assistant Professor, Raffle BBA College, Vapi. In this session, we will be going to discuss about what are the challenges faced by HRD professionals nowadays. So, let us discuss this one by one. First one, culture or attitude. We know different countries have different culture. And as the world has become a global village, HRD professionals have to face the cultural challenges in different countries or with the employees belonging to the different countries. Second one, technology or skills. The pace of the technological development is very high, and the new technologies are replacing the older ones quickly. Same is in the case with the techniques and technologies used for training also. An HR professional has to upgrade his skills and knowledge to meet the requirement of the new generation. Third one, values of behavior. The HRD professionals have to adjust themselves to the emerging new values as principle-centric leadership is becoming trend in the corporate world nowadays. Values like trust, credibility, timeliness, and the simpler rules are becoming the constants of many business hubs. For example, Tata is one of the successful Indian ethical organization to gain trust from the stakeholders. Fourth one, knowledge or information. Enhancement of knowledge is also a big challenge for any HRD professionals as they have to understand the different philosophies demonstrated at different places in the world. For example, the philosophy related to the leadership changes dramatically in the organization from different part of the world. Fifth one, lifestyle or habits. The lifestyle of an employee is also important for HRD professional because they have to understand the habits of the employees and then decide the training need that required to impart within the employee for bringing a new modification and habits of the employees. Next one, knowledge of new practices. An HRD professionals has to be aware of the new practices adopted by the organization around the globe. An HRD professional should know about the practices like dignity of individual, retention of employees for long time in the organization, leadership by the examples, clear cooperative relationship with the employees, shareholders, vendors, suppliers, customers and society at large. Last one, that is environment. An open environment is required for the success of organization. The organizational environment should have healthy, fearless, justice, speed, imagination, and accountability. It is the job of the HRD professional to inspire the employee to perform better once this environment is created in the organization. So, these are the different challenges faced by the HRD professionals in the 21st century. Thank you, students.